Hi, so we are going to go ahead and season my steak. We have garlic salt. My favorite. And you can season your steak obviously any way you want. You do you, right? But this is what we like over here. And then again, I always have my same. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna flip these bad boys over and do the same on the other side. Again. You guys, I like this. I like to taste my meat, okay? Again, you do what you do, and I do what I do, but this is how I like it. Flavorful. Now, I'm gonna take each one of these bad boys, and we are gonna put these in my pan. Listen to that sizzle. For that, yum! Yummy, yummy, yummy. We just want these to really get You guys counting along with me? Are ya? Let me know. You guys, I'm moving this camera around a lot because it's my phone. And once I'm serious about this, right, we'll have a little bit better steady camera. But this is just my phone. Anywho, back to the meat. Look at this. Let's go ahead and flip it. Look at that, guys. Yum. Yum. Look at that. Look at the sear on that. Isn't that beautiful? Amazing. So my secret is what we're gonna do now is take butter. I'm gonna just drop it in there. Who doesn't like butter? You want it underneath like that. Yummy. Let's check on that big potato, right? Those are gonna be done as well. I mean, we are seconds away from taking this off the pan. And I'm not just doing that. Look at that color. It's so amazing. Okay, let me stop bouncing around. Remember, I'm not a professional this year, and I won't be until I have all of my stuff. So if this is, you know, not the best steady state for you, I'm sorry, keep it pushing. This is just for people who want to learn how to cook. So simple, easy. Easy peasy. Look at this, I'm cutting this off now. So, let's take this bad boy off, this juicy bad boy. Yumminess! Gonna place that there. This next bad boy, we're gonna place this here. Right. We are gonna clean up this stove. And now we need to get our baked potatoes. So let me go ahead and grab one of these bad boys. I'm gonna put that there. Get some more. Okay. So, you guys, this is gonna be very, very hot when you go to unwrap it. So be careful, unless you want burnt hands. And I'm telling you, it does not look good. So, look at that. I'm gonna cut this and just watch how it just, you know, cuts right open. Look at that, it's crazy. It's like butter. Look at that. I can't believe it's not butter. Okay, so I gotta do the rest for the remaining. Gotta get the rest of these little baked potatoes out. Let's go ahead and cut this one as well. See how that just falls open? Again, I boiled this first. You know, I stabbed a bunch of holes in them. And then I boiled it for 8 to 10 minutes. And give me a second. Let's go ahead because I need to get my cheese. Hang on there. I'm gonna set this here. So let's go ahead and season this with garlic salt. Garlic salt. Garlic salt. And we are gonna